Alright folks, we are 100% finished. Let's take a little tour of this deck and handrails. Wow. Incredible. Alright guys, we are continuing with our installation of the treads and the risers. First, we want to install the riser. So I got these ripped to the proper thickness. Then I'm going to measure over 1.25 inches. All the way along here is where we're going to screw in, and it's going to screw directly into the Azek trim from the top down. What I like to do is push your hand right here with your left hand, and that keeps it from moving. And then we will put 2 screws here, 2 screws here to keep it from moving. Okay, we're going to put the first board in here, and this is also the last step. So we want the same overhang. Okay, so we have a 7/8 of an inch overhang. Oh yeah, look at that. Take your spacer, one here, one here. Now we have 2 more boards cut and ready to install. So let's go ahead and slide this first one in, see how it fits. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Over the top like this, and then fold these edges in. 2 holes. All right, next up is to install the top cap. This is the Premier rail. All right, let's finish this side. I want to put a cap on. Okay, let me show you how easy this goes in when you cut it perfectly. Look at that, perfect tight fit here and here. Okay, that is perfect. Same as the bottom. Everything should be tight. Okay. This one's pre-cut, has the brackets installed. The mounting brackets are installed on the 4x4 post. Inch and a quarter. Very quickly, I can cut all of these in about 10 minutes just by using this jig. Here's a scrap piece of the handrail. This is the premier rail. Look at that. Now that is a nice set of stairs. Okay, here's the top rail. Let's go ahead and install this. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, let's install the next rail section. All right, guys, just a few more things to do to finish off this project. We need to add these screws underneath to hold this top rail on. You can see right here. Look at that perfect tight fit right here. That's what you want. Same on the bottom. The last thing we're gonna do is apply a coat or 2 coats of this color matching end grain paint See the end grain here, all the way around, end grain, and there's end grain over here. Let me show you. This part got a little bit wet, so I'm going over it one more time. But you can see the color matches just about perfect. So you can't even tell the difference. So another pro tip right there. So I got it all the way up the stairs, up around this edge in the front and on the other side. So now all I got to do is peel off this Azek trim protector, this plastic film. Very satisfying. Definitely my favorite part of the job right here. Okay, so next is to get the plugs. We're gonna go ahead and fill these holes. On the risers. That looks incredible. Perfect. All right, we are done. We are officially done. Wow. We are 100% finished. Let's take a little tour of this deck and handrails. Wow. Incredible. What a transformation.